So a few days ago now I ended up having carpal tunnel release surgery in my right hand. Not so bad, caused a few problems though. One being I can't hold the large DJI 2 remote in my hands. So I thought I'd try and overcome this problem. I get one of these Sunnylife lanyard and brackets for the remote off Amazon. Came next day obviously on Amazon Prime, hopefully in time for some better weather. So this is what we get. Obviously this is the bracket. A bit awkward. Actually this fixes onto the remote. We'll have a look at that in a sec. Next we've got the lanyard itself. Again, a bit of a struggle with one hand. Didn't look too bad actually. Nice bit of quality, all adjustable there. Fair bit of tension on that so it shouldn't fall off by accident. Let's have a look how it fits. Get the remote. Assume that'll fit in there like that. A bit of a struggle with this hand. It's a nice tight fit anyway. So that fits on there like that. It's on there like that. It's nice and secure. Phone holder doesn't actually go all the way back down with it on, but it's not a problem, it'll still fit in the kit bag. Still able to get the phone in there. Should take the weight of the remote. Still like the controls. Brilliant. We'll see how we got on with that. I'll let you know in future updates. I'll leave a link down below for the item number off Amazon. Please click. I've also got the ND filters people keep talking about, so we'll give them a try when we next got a flight. Thank you.